Good morning, Ari.
Good morning, Mama.
You okay?
You okay? Good morning, Mama.
You copying me?
You copying me?
My name is Aria Primrose and I am a buttface.
My name is Mama. Mama. And I am a buttface.
You're
My
Wally.
name is Ari.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you a buttface? It's 6:15.
It's +6.
Ari, stop. It's 6:15. I've been awake since 3:30, but I went to bed at 8. I was really tired, so I just literally fell asleep at 8 o'clock, and I woke up at 3:30, and I was like, oh, I'm awake. So I've got lots done this morning. I've done some washing, I've done some little bits of arty things downstairs, and I've done some editing. Yeah, so today we are going to get up, have our breakfast, and then we're going to go straight to Nana's house where Daddy is, aren't we?
Gonna get dressed.
Yeah, we're going to get dressed before you go. I'm dropping the kids off at Ben's mum's house. I'm probably aiming for about 9 o'clock, so we're going to leave here about 8, and then I'm going to go to my mum's for the day, and then I'm going to pick the kids back up at about 2:30 because I don't want to drive home in the dark because it's supposed to get really, really crap weather this afternoon. So yeah, they're going to have their lunch at Nana's with Daddy, and Auntie Pooper Pants is there as well, isn't she? I'm very jealous. Ben's sister's down for the day because her car broke when she left mine at Christmas. So they've got her a new car and it's there today. So she's come down from Leeds. So I'm going to give her a big cuddle. And I'm hoping that she might come over tomorrow because I think she's not going back to Leeds until tomorrow. So I'm hoping she might pop round, but she might be really busy because she has her own business. If you're in Pudsey, actually, she has her own bagel shop called the Winnebago Cafe. I'll link it. We've never been. We're going to go and see Auntie Mimi, aren't we?
No.
But it's just because this one, who pukes in the car? Who's the vomity one?
Yeah.
Ari. Not anymore, we don't think. But she used to get really travel sick. So I didn't really like driving far with her. But if she's okay, we're going to go up to Leeds to see Auntie Mimi and we're going to go and have all the bagels. But yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'm going to have my coffee, edit my weekly food shop video, and I'll talk to you in a bit. We got pancakes.
Hi.
Hi, I can't show you Fox because he's on the potty. I've made them with porridge in, so then they're super filling. Tamika's having chocolate chip, Aria's having normal, Fox is having normal, and then there's more there to make for Fox and Aria. And I'm having Protein World chocolate chip ones.
Yeah.
I haven't filmed anything today. It is, what time is it?
It's like
4. We just got back home. The kids spent the day with their Daddy and Nana and Grandad and Auntie Mimi. And I went out with my mum. We went to Prezzo's for lunch and we went around the charity shops and some shops where my mum lives. And my mum got these for the kids from Dunelm. Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff. They were in the sale. And then I got some Peter Base's mum gave me these. She gave me these. She gave me these for Foxy and some stock cubes. We went to Heron. These were £1. Vegan nugs, £1 a box. You can have one of them. I got myself a load of paint. I got some new palette knives. I got the cat. I knew you said the kids. I got the cats a bowl each, so you can have one with biscuits, one with me. I got Aria these Biscoff biscuits. Leave it, Mika. Biscoff cream. I got these to stick up the girls' paint in. Some butt wipes, a descaler, some pepperoni, some bagels, some granola. Do you want some help?
I did one bit.
There you go, you try again. Fox is also eating some Weetabix. Got some crepes, some mixing bowls, because all of my mixing bowls have been vomited in, so I thought this was better to have nice ones that weren't vomit filled. I've got the cats some catnip treats. Mika got a little hummus pot, some Weetabix minis, some donuts, some party rings. I've got Aria's snack pack thing. I got this, which looks delicious, caramel. Mum had this, she got this for £1 from the charity shop. And I think she got this for the kids for Christmas and then forgot to give it to them. And then I got some more canvases. These were in the charity shop for £1 each. So I got a little square one, a slightly bigger one, and then 2 huge ones that I'm going to paint. And I will put some on my Etsy shop because I've had a few people asking if they are for sale. Yeah, so I'm going to put all this away and we're going to have bolognese for dinner. Fox is having Philadelphia breadsticks and Weetabix for his dinner, but that's fine. He had a nap in the car. I am shattered. So I've just laid the fire for tomorrow because it's going to be, there's a planned power cut tomorrow from 8 until 4. So the house will be really cold. So I've laid the fire ready to lay. My mum has given us a bag of coal
Don't worry.
and a bag of firewood, and the kids, oh wow, wow, and the kids are stacking it in the cupboard for me.
Yeah.
And I'm going to start making dinner.
Yummy. I'll get one.
Yeah, you can stack it, but you have to be careful, Bubby.
Yeah.
The girls are in there.
We don't get bread.
It's Aria's favourite thing ever, isn't it?
I haven't yet.
Yeah, you had a splint. You don't want to get another one, do you?
Mika.
No. So, yeah, they're going to do that whilst I get the dinner ready. My next door neighbour has just come round. The one who lifted the thing up last night has just come around and given me a bag of baby leeks, which look amazing. So I'm going to clean them all up and then get them in the freezer. We had pancakes this morning. Who's my baby? Or does this BBC? They've just done all their bowls, the girls have. So they've now each got, they've got biscuits and then a meat in each one. So obviously they choose which one they want to eat out of. There's no pattern. They don't have a specific bowl, but now they can be separate. So yeah. I feel like I'm all over the shop today, like completely all over the shop. I think it's because I was like a day without, like not a day, like I have longer when they're at school without them, but it was just weird, like going out with my mum for lunch, like it was just us in Prezzo's. It was very strange, but delicious. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. Hey, it's 7:45. We've just finished watching Aladdin. Did you like it, Ari?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, isn't it? Are you tired?
I need to.
You are?
I need to.
You need me? She's just clinging on to my legs. Get off, Ari, your feet are freezing. After we've all had showers, I've washed my hair, straightened my hair, because there's going to be a power cut tomorrow from 8 till 4. So we need to get everything done tonight. For tomorrow. And then tomorrow, while there's no power, I'm going to have a fire and I'm going to sit and read my book all day, because I won't be able to do anything else. So I'm quite excited about it, and I'll see you in the morning.